To get started with Best Places restaurants, begin by visiting the website and familiarize yourself with the homepage. The homepage features a search bar where you can enter your location or the name of a specific restaurant. You can also browse through the various categories such as top-rated restaurants, newest additions, and cuisines. Once you have entered your location, you will be presented with a list of nearby restaurants, along with their ratings, addresses, and distances from your location. You can filter the results by rating, distance, and cuisine to find the perfect spot for your meal. To view more information about a specific restaurant, click on its name to access its profile page. The profile page includes detailed information such as the restaurant's hours of operation, menu, and reviews from other users. You can also view photos of the restaurant and its dishes to get a better idea of what to expect. One of the most valuable features of Best Places restaurants is the review system. Users can leave ratings and write reviews of their experiences at the restaurant, providing valuable feedback for other users. When reading reviews, pay attention to the overall rating and the comments to get a well-rounded understanding of the restaurant's strengths and weaknesses. To leave a review of your own, simply click on the Write a Review button on the restaurant's profile page and follow the prompts to rate your experience and share your thoughts. Your review will help others make informed decisions about where to dine and will also provide feedback to the restaurant to help them improve their services. In addition to finding and reviewing restaurants, Best Places also allows you to create a list of your favorite restaurants and share them with friends and family. This feature is useful for planning meals and outings with others and for keeping track of the restaurants you want to try in the future. By following these steps and using the features of Best Places restaurants, you can find the perfect dining spot and share your experiences with others. Remember to always read reviews and check the ratings before trying a new restaurant and to leave your own review to help others make informed decisions. With Best Places restaurants, you can explore new culinary experiences and connect with others who share your passion for food.